Hello everyone and welcome to the channel, British MC Spares. Sorry it's been a while since we've managed to get the first video up, but coronavirus stops us attending a lot of the shows that we were going to start filming for you guys. Well, today I'm going to bring you along because we're going to go and get the van sign written up, and we've got some work to do on it this weekend. We've got to change the fifth gear because we can't get fifth gear. We've got to change the wishbone. CV boots need doing. So stick around and see where we get up to. Right, we've made it over to my friend's lock-up, nice, safe and sound. We're just waiting on Scott showing up, and then he's going to get on with lining up the van for us. I'll put that on time lapse and you can see him get on with that. But while we're waiting, some of the other bits that we're going to get done this weekend: front passenger side wishbone, some new front brake pads, there's a litre of gearbox oil there, and then we're getting a new fifth gear fitted because we can't select fifth on this at the minute. Once all that's done, we're going to be attending the Newark Autojumble next Sunday, the 24th of October. Make sure you come over and say hello while we're there. Right, as you've just seen on that time lapse, Scott and his colleague Lee, they managed to get this knocked out of the park for me. Looks quite good as far as I'm concerned. And I'd just like to say a big thanks to Scott for getting it done for me as quickly as he did, ready for next week. That'll be it for today. I'll be back tomorrow when we're going to start doing some of the repair work. Right, well, as you'll have seen on that short bit of time lapse, we did manage to get some of the work done. Sorry, the camera died, so I couldn't show you everything, but we managed to get the fifth gear fixed, new wishbone fitted, CV boots done, and we don't need the front pads, but we do need rear shoes, so I've got them ordered. We're going to get them done later this week, and then we're going to see you guys at Newark on Sunday. So don't forget to pop over and say hello. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a few comments, and then we'll see you all on Sunday.